No trooper, no police. Everyone in the wrong. How do I know they're from the US? I heard their accent. Everyone on the wrong line. Exactly, Courtney. It's curious, isn't it? You probably should, Scott. The horses won't stop, so this will be a curious moment. Let's see everyone sort of either part gracefully or scarper foolishly. I'm thinking the trooper will likely tell them to move. Exactly, look, there we are. All got owned. Get back behind the white line. Lovely. Owned by the Boxman. Even though he didn't sit on the floor, decided to get herself out of the way. Great. So there we have it. Lifeguards are not being quiet after all. Get back behind the white line, said the Boxman. Just the way it should be. Shame he didn't scream it.